I started in 1993, right up the street from this location. My mom doing the books, me doing the repairs. We opened up a second location in Overland Park about 16 years ago. It's not about repairing cars, it's about helping people. If we treat every customer like they're a family and do what you do for your family member with our customers, we'll never have an issue. I put my cell phone on my business cards. My cell phone's on my websites. I get customers that call my cell phone, and I'm fine with that because they're a customer, they need help. And that's what I try to instill in everybody. You know, go over and above.
We like to treat all of our customers like family. We are not going to recommend you do something to your car that we would not recommend to our mom or dad or brother or sister. So we're going to treat you just like family from the time you walk in the door.
We've got a lot of repeat customers and coming here for years. I've got a lot of great relationships with all the customers, and my advisors do too. I think we got a good reputation, and I think the customers like us. We get good reviews, so that says a lot. The digital inspection has been a huge game changer for the industry. My technician looks at your car with the digital inspection and takes pictures and lists everything that he sees with the car. And the pictures are for transparency. So we send that to the customer and they can see exactly what the technician sees. We get customers that approve their cars through a text for repairs. By sending that DVI to them, they can see pictures of what their car needs. If they don't understand it, we encourage them to call us so we can explain it to them. Probably the greatest achievement is just building a good team of guys that are great to work with. Not only are you building relationships with the customers, but you got to build relationships with the employees. We try to hire the right guy. There's certain credentials they need to meet. ASC certifications are a plus, years in the business. My wife and I run the business together. It's nice to have family involved. I like to see the legacy go on. My son-in-law and my daughter just recently in the last 2 years showed interest in the business, so they'll be taking over the business.
Nick and Carl have done a great job with starting this company, running it for the last 30 years. They have built a great clientele base and have very good customers. It's a pretty special thing to be a part of with coming in, having that much experience behind us, and me and my wife Madison look forward to the future this holds and hopefully for the next 30 years to come.
You know when you're only on earth for a very short period of time anyhow, then when you leave, you like to leave something behind. And I figure that'll be my legacy, leaving the shop behind to where it keeps going under the Sallas name.
Now we have a son of our own, so it would be, if it's something he wants to do one day, we'd love it to be passed down the family, even another generation onto him in the future.